Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, hello. Welcome back to our English class with Teacher Yat. We are still in Unit 7, Healthy and Wise. And yes, we're still talking about food. Today, we will see how time changed our lifestyle. Our learning objective for today are, by the end of our lesson, people should be able to first, learn about cooking methods over generations, and second, answer 5 comprehension questions with guidance. Our topic for today is traditional and modern cooking methods. Before we proceed with our lesson, let us learn some vocabularies. You may refer to your textbook, page 64. First is great-grandparents, moyang. Second is cakul, arang. Third is pound, tumbuk. Fourth is food processor, pemproses makanan. Fifth is automatic cooker, periuk automatic. Sixth is marinade, perap. 7 is spice, rempah. And the last one is pestle, anak lesung, and mortar, ibu lesung. Now, let us see how cooking changed over years. Let us look at the example of a coconut grater. It starts with non-electrical grater using force and a lot of energy. 2. Electrical grater that use less energy. Cooking method. Our great-grandparents used firewood to cook food. Then, they used charcoal. After that, they turned to kerosene stove or dapur minyak tanah. Now, we use gas stove, electrical stove, and food processor. Food grinder. Our great-grandparents used food and hand mortar to pound food. Then they use pestle and mortar. Now we use blender and heavy-duty blender. Did you know how much the heavy-duty blender in the picture costs? It's over 1,000 of ringgit. Now let us read the passage. In the old days, food tasted better and was more nutritious. This is because of the cooking methods our great-grandparents used. There were no modern appliances like microwave ovens, food processors, or automatic cookers, like what we use today. Food may be cooked faster in modern times, but it is not as tasty or nutritious as the food our great-grandparents cooked. In yesteryears, our great-grandparents used charcoal to cook. They would use a pestle and mortar to pound their spices. The spices were then used to marinate raw food such as fish and chicken or to cook curries. They would wrap fish in banana leaf before grilling the fish over a fire. They also cooked vegetables which were freshly picked from their own gardens. Thus, the nutritional value in the food was maintained and it tasted better. That's the end of our lesson. For tutorial, answer the questions. Do it in your E1. Question number 1. What is the passage about? A. Great-grandparents. B. Appliances. C. Food. D. Spice. Question number 2. What is the purpose of a pestle and mortar? A. Cooking. B. Grilling. C. Picking. D. Pounding. Question number 3. Why did food taste better in the old days? The food tastes better because... Question number 4. State how food was prepared in the past based on the passage. People in old days used to cook, grill, steam, and boil their food. They also their spices with. And the last question is, name electrical appliances that did not exist in the old days. Electrical appliances like did not exist in the old days. That's all. Bye.